7 side hustles you won't believe that exist. Let's go. Did you know that you can drive for Amazon and earn $18 to $25 per hour for delivering the packages for them? Now you can try it. Turo.com, the world's first sharing marketplace of cars. You can rent your car and start making money. Uber Eats, you can order food or deliver food and get paid. Curb, a brilliant new way to rent a parking slot or rent your own parking slot and earn money. iWriter, create content for others and earn up to $80 per 500 words. Fill in the application and start doing it. JustDrop.com, find interesting expiring domain names and flip them back. Lime, the #1 bike and scooter sharing app. Make money with them by completing